Now I will show you how to simulate beach waves in Realflow 2014 to create something like this. So let's start. First of all, let's open Realflow. I already created this new project in which I created some kind of replica of this beach. As you can see, it is really simple. I have cube with top open. I just rotated it a bit. Here is cube, which will be emitter, and these two hemispheres, which will be rocks. So let's go. First of all, I will just press G to hide this grid so I can see better. I will select all these elements, go to volume and decrease cell size to 0.1. And what is really important, I will select this cube with top open and change its volume mode from shell to solid outside. What this will do is it will just make sure particles stay inside this cube. As you can see, this first cube, which will be emitter, it is out of this box, but particles won't spawn here. So as this cube is selected, I will just go to liquid Hybrido, select emitter and add open domain. I will just press W and just move this down a bit. I will decrease cell size to around 0.1. Okay, now we can go to demons and add gravity and normally ocean force demon. Now I will just rearrange this a bit. I will just put these objects on the right, demons on the top, and here on the left. Before we start, I will just delete this relationship between hub and ocean force just by pressing it and pressing delete. And I will just move it here where domain is. And now I just need to hold control and drag it with left mouse button to domain. It should look like this now. Okay, now we can tweak this ocean force. When I scroll through this timeline, as you can see, it doesn't look very nice. But when we change seed, alignment to 130, wind direction to minus 270 degrees, dimension to around 450, depth to around 17, time factor to around 18, and repeat vertically to around 2 should be enough. I will just go to node and rotate it by minus 90 degrees. Now it is facing right direction. Okay, I will just hide this cube with top open so I can properly align this ocean force. I will just move it far to the left. And now I will display force field and edit field box so I can just adjust this so I can properly view this force. Okay, now I will just change strength to around 3 so I can see better how this will affect. Change this to linear and this to around Z plus, okay, or even better Z minus. Oh, where is it? Okay, so it will push waves from middle to the right. You will see when I simulate this. Okay, now I can hide this and increase strength to around 18. I will again display this cube with tab open, and I will just put it right here. Okay, this should be fine. And that's it. I can just hide this and this. Maybe just move this a bit right. Okay, this should be good. I can also hide this. Press reset, and I will just run this in command line so that you can simulate faster. As you can see, this simulation, it has around 1.5 million particles. We don't need that much for this tutorial, so just go to reset, go to my domain, and increase cell size to around 0.22 maybe. I will just make a short preview. Now we have around 150 particles, but I will just need a bit more. Maybe like this. Or even more. Okay, this should be enough. Around 350,000 of particles. Okay. Now just press reset and go back to simulation. Before that, I will just save, just in case. As you can see, it will take me around 10 minutes. Okay, so simulation is done, so let's see what we got. We can close this window and update our timeline. When I scroll through timeline, let's see what we got. Well, it looks decent. And now we can just go to liquid Hybrido and we can add foam, let's say. Here it is. I will just change emission rate to something like this. Okay. I will select the main emitter and set it to cache because I don't want to simulate all over again. Okay. And I will just add kill by age Daemon because I don't want foam to last forever. I will just delete this relationship. Again, by holding control, I will attach it to this foam. Oops. And here under life, I will need around maybe 52 frames, I guess. We will see. I won't use command line this time. I will just reset and simulate this foam. And let's see what we got. It looks nice, but what I think I should just maybe increase strength to around 21 or maybe even more, to produce higher waves. But I'll just keep it like this time. But I will show you this. I will just choose opposite direction, and you will see what we got this time. And also I will just put this far to the left side, and maybe even scale it like this. Okay, it should be good. And now I will just increase strength to around maybe 22, and I will simulate this to see result with this side. But I just need to set this to active, and let's see what we got now. And here we go, simulation is done, and let's see what we got. I will just hide for now this foam. You can see how waves are much bigger now. And if I display foam, it also looks nice. I'll just make a short video preview. And finally, here is video preview. Again, thank you for watching, and I hope you just learned something new.